How to turn on Meta AI in Instagram. Meta AI is an artificial intelligence assistant integrated into Instagram to enhance user experience by providing features such as content suggestions, automated responses, and interactive chats. So, in order to turn on that, first of all, go to the App Store on your mobile device. Then search for the Instagram app. Then simply tap on the Instagram option available there. Now once done so, you will get to see update option available there. Update it to the latest version because the latest version of Instagram consists of Meta AI. And once updated, open the Instagram app. And if you still do not find it, then Meta AI is a region specific feature that is still being gradually rolled out by Meta. So Meta often launches new features like Meta AI in selected countries only, like usually places like US, Canada, UK, or other major markets. So if you are located in a region where Meta AI has not been officially launched, it won't show up. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.